હેલો એવરીવન, આ વિડીયોમાં આપણે જોવાના છે લેટ્સ રીડ મોર યુનિટ 1 ઇન ધ લેન્ડ ઓફ લીલીપત ઇંગ્લિશ ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીનું સોલ્યુશન. સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1થી. રીડ ધ ફોલોવિંગ પેરેગ્રાફ્સ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. ફર્સ્ટ પેરેગ્રાફ છે ધ એન્ટેલોપ વોઝ અ લાર્જ શિપ. Once it was sailing in the Pacific Ocean. There were 30 sailors on it. Besides the sailor, there was a captain and a doctor named Gulliver. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Where was the antelope? Answer: the antelope was in the Pacific Ocean. Number 2. How many sailors were there on the antelope? Answer: there were 30 sailors on the antelope. Number 3. Besides the sailors, who was there on the ship? Answer: besides the sailors, there was a captain and a doctor and on the ship. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the given box. Number 1. The antelope was in the dash. Answer choice C, Pacific Ocean. Number 2. The antelope was a dash. Answer choice D, ship. Number 3. There were dash sailors. Answer choice A, 30. Number 4. Gulliver was the dash. Answer choice B, doctor. Paragraph number 2. In the beginning, the sailor was smooth, but then there arose a storm in the sea. There was a strong wind and heavy rain. Sailing became difficult. The ship began to drift. Then suddenly it hit against a rock and broke into pieces. Everyone on the ship started screaming and crying for help. They tried to swim to the shore, but only Gulliver reached the shore. It was the shore of an island. The name of the island was Lilliput. Answer the following question. Number 1. In the beginning, the sailing was smooth. What happened thereafter? Afterwards. Answer: in the beginning, the sailing was smooth, but then there arose a storm in the sea. Number 2. What happened to the ship? Answer: the ship hit against 4 rocks and broke into pieces. Number 3. Who reached the shore? Answer: Gulliver reached the shore. Number 4. What was the name of the island? Answer: the name of the island was Lilliput. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the given box. Number 1. There was a dash in the sea. Answer: A, storm. Number 2. The ship began to dash. Answer: D, drift. Number 3. The ship hit against a dash. Answer: B, rock. Number 4. The name of the island was dash. Answer: B, Lilliput. Paragraph number 3. Gulliver walked some distance, but he was very tired. He fell asleep on the grass. He woke up the next morning and tried to get up, but getting up was not possible. His hands and legs were tied. Gulliver felt something walking on his body. It was a tiny man, only 15 centimeters tall. Soon there were several men on his body. They were all very tiny. There were lots of other tiny people on the ground. Some had bows and arrows in their hands. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Who was walking on Gulliver's body? Answer: a tiny man was walking on Gulliver's body. Number 2. What did some tiny people have in their hands? Answer: some tiny people have bows and arrows in their hands. Number 3. Why could Gulliver not get up? Answer: Gulliver could not get up because his hands and legs were tied. Next, answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the given box. Number 1. The tiny man had dash. Answer: B, bows and arrows. Number 2. The tiny man was only dash tall. Answer: C, 15 centimeters. Paragraph number 4. Gulliver was both hungry and thirsty. How can I talk to these people except through gestures? He thought. So he made signs for eating and drinking. Luckily, the tiny people understood his signs and bought small baskets of food. They also bought tiny barrels of water. Gulliver ate all the food and drank all the water. Now he felt refreshed. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What did Gulliver do to get food? Answer. Gulliver made signs to get food. Number 2. Did the tiny people understand Gulliver's sign? Answer. Yes. The tiny people understood Gulliver's sign. Number 3. What did the tiny people bring? Answer. The tiny people brought some basket of food and barrels of water. Number 4. How did Gulliver feel after eating and drinking? Answer. Gulliver felt refreshed after eating and drinking. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the given box. Number 1. Gulliver was answer share C, hungry and thirsty. Number 2. Gestures means answer share A, signs. Number 3. The tiny people brought answer share C, baskets. Number 4. The tiny people bought dash of water answer share D, barrels. Number 5. Gulliver felt answer share B, refreshed. Next share paragraph number 5. Some tiny men went to the king of Lilliput and told him about Gulliver. How big is he? The king asked. He is very huge, they replied. Really? Go and bring him here, the king ordered. I want to see him. Seeing is believing, he added. Answer the following questions. What did the king order the tiny men? Answer. The king ordered the tiny men to bring Gulliver to him. Answer the following questions selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the given box. Number 1. The tiny men said that Gulliver was dash answer share B, very huge. Number 2. Huge means answer share A, very big. Paragraph number 6. The Lilliputians prepared a wooden carriage. It was about 3.5 meters long, 120 centimeters wide, and 10 centimeters high from the ground. Now lifting Gulliver and putting him on the carriage became a problem. With great difficulty they solved it. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What did the Lilliputians prepare? Answer share. The Lilliputians prepared a wooden carriage. Number 2. What was the problem? Answer. Lifting Gulliver and putting him on the carriage was a problem. Next, answer the following questions selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the given box. Number 1. The Lilliputians prepared a dash carriage. Answer share C, wooden. Number 2. The carriage was dash high. Answer share B, 10 centimeters. Paragraph number 7. After a day's journey, they brought him to the king's court. The king and his men said, Ah, this man is really huge. He is as big as a mountain. They were afraid of him. But Gulliver greeted the king and promised to be their friend. The king was pleased and set him free. Gulliver lived on the island happily for a long time. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What did the king say about Gulliver? Answer. The king said that Gulliver was as big as a mountain. Number 2. What did Gulliver do? Answer. Gulliver greeted the king and promised to be their friend. Number 3. What did the king do? Answer. The king set Gulliver free. Answer the following question by selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the given box. Number 1. The Lilliputians brought Gulliver to the court after answer share a day's journey. Number 2. The king thought that Gulliver was answer share as big as a mountain.